Modern Warfare 3 is upon us, and I believe as gamers it is only right to pay our respects. This is goodbye, but not for forever. This is an ode to zombies. I remember the days feel so vivid back in 08. I'm not kidding, I game just as much as I do now, and I did plenty killing, but the game that had me hooked was zombies in COD World at War. It was something new and addicting, man, I swear my thumbs were sore. Protect the windows or the door, and if not what unleashed was gore. Nazi horse plagued the floors, it's my favorite memory, was it yours? All the more reason to top my score, the song's for pleading. I want more, please don't leave me with Spec Ops, cause I swear it won't restore that need for killing all the horde of enemies thrown at us with my MP40. I aim at the heads and I watch them combust. What's the rush? We stayed up for hours to reach that next wave. Even left my Xbox on so I wouldn't have to restart the next day. Zombies, this is zombies. Goodbye zombies, but not for good. Zombies, goodbye zombies. You can't stay, we wish you would. When we're spending all our time playing Modern Warfare 3, we'll be wishing we could get a special map pack with Nazi zombies. I will defend you with all these rhymes, and I swear that it would be a great happening if you didn't leave. I think we'd all agree. I think you all agree that zombies meant a lot to me. I commend all of these support. Do you remember all the sprees? Remember all the crawlers as we dropped the zombies to their knees while trying to comprehend the story and Easter egg debris? Do you remember Ascend from Darkness on Kino and Reese, where I listened to the Syndicate Project for intel on these? As a matter of fact, he told me the art of running rape trains, and for that I thank you, sir. I've watched you since last November. Make way for all the guns we packed a punch. I love this game, it was date rape, because in the end the zombies were victorious and they claimed their rightful place in the Call of Duty world. Regardless of our purge, Chuck can help us, and this hurts like a PhD flopper bird. Zombies, this is zombies. Goodbye zombies, but not for good. Zombies, goodbye zombies. You can't stay, we wish you would. When we're spending all our time playing Modern Warfare 3, we'll be wishing we could get a special map pack with Nazi zombies. I will defend you with all these rhymes, and I swear that it would be a great happening if you didn't leave. I think we'd all agree. Zombies, this is where we part, and though you told an epic tale, this goodbye just seems so hard. I remember all that you unveiled. We rescued Tank, Dr. Red, Misaki, and Nikolai from jail, equipped with wonder weapons. The Ray and Thunder gun prevailed. I remember standing at the mystery box from the fire sale, hoping for the best, wishing that you won't stop and become available once again to the players. Take the teleporter, man, else I'll need a carpenter power up, cause my heart's been impaled. This won't be the last time that we turn the power on. I promise when you return you'll be embraced with hours played. We'll pay homage. Thank you World at War and Black Ops for bringing us something new. Thank you Treyarch and zombies, we went through this war for you. Zombies, this is zombies. Goodbye zombies, but not for good. Zombies, goodbye zombies. You can't stay, we wish you would. When we're spending all our time playing Modern Warfare 3, we'll be wishing we could get a special map pack with Nazi zombies. I will defend you with all these rhymes, and I swear that it would be a great happening if you didn't leave. I think we'd all agree. This has been an ode to zombies, in which most of us spent hours on end playing to see just how far we could get. It meant bragging rights and bags under our eyes. But in the end, it was bonus content to a game that became much more than that. And I'll be ready for its return. Thank you for listening. My name is Iniquity. Remember the name. What up, guys? I just want